What's up, homies and homettes? Nick with Thick and Rugged. It is 10:30 in the morning, 36 degrees, 30-mile-an-hour winds. And I'm hauling blacktop. What sense does that make? None. None at all. Yeah, this is stupid. This is absolutely atrociously stupid. I'll get out and show you in a little bit, but there's like 7 trucks on this job. We're doing a blacktop job here in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania. Doing a parking lot. Tarps are flying around. Blacktop's cooling off. And I'm just getting mad. This is stupid. I've spent the last hour, cleaning the cab a little bit, getting the dust off of things, cleaning the back window. I still have my compound bow in here from yesterday, just in case I find some time to go hunting. But as you see, we got 1 truck, 2 truck, me truck, blue truck. This is crazy to me, the fact that we're hauling blacktop right now because it's so cold. I've been sitting, I got loaded at 8:45. It is now 10:40. 2 hours of blacktop cooling off in my bed at 36 degrees, 38 degrees. Not very smart. Not smart at all. This isn't good. I'm watching the blacktop come out of the bed, and it's coming out in chunks, like football-sized chunks, which means it's definitely cooled off way too much since it's been put in the bed 2.5 hours ago. But I don't care. I'm not really driving a whole lot, just kind of chilling out. I can get used to that, but at the same time, kind of boring. I'd rather make content for a living, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe. People got paid for bright ideas. Maybe some broke motherfuckers around here. Let's see how bad it looks. And the verdict, oh, that's not hateful, but that's not very good, boss. Oh, my tarp is great. That would hurt you. That's why you don't stand back here. Get this shit off. So this is diesel fuel, allegedly. This may or may not be directly connected to the tank. So I'm definitely not spraying diesel fuel in the bed of my truck to help prevent stickage of the blacktop. I mean, you can see this environmentally friendly liquid. Let's just call it what's that stuff called? Asphalt going, or blacktop going, or asphalt off. The next problem I got is my tarp's messed up. Yeah. Pull this back over close to center. And hopefully the wind don't catch it while I wind it in. We'll be all right. Make sure you drop your mud flaps. Kind of pisses me off a little bit. I went in for a hot chocolate in Copenhagen, and all they had was hot water. So I got some French vanilla and put some thick half and half in there and some chocolate. It ain't the same. trying to get hot cocoa flavor out of some creamy coffee. French vanilla and that Irish cream, right now Irish cream. I don't know. I don't really drink hot stuff. Mostly Red Bull for me. Sugar-free Red Bull. Water, Diet Mountain Dew is my liquid-based diet. If you're trying to get close to a hot cocoa flavor, get some French vanilla. Put a little bit of caramel chocolate creamer in there and a little bit of half and half. Pretty damn close. It does taste good. Yeah, Jason Aldean. You know what I mean.
Did you fall in love?
That ain't the vibe. That is. Big bump.
I remember the summer I turned 18. Lived in a home that mama spent every last penny we had to buy me a dancing dress. And then she looked at me and took a ragged breath. She said, your paws run dog.
Alrighty, we're back at the blacktop plant. I love that for me. A little pro tip, because I'm a pro. When you pull into the quarry and your truck's pretty decently clean, just keep it under 5 miles an hour. What are they going to do, arrest you? Oh, you're not going fast enough. 5 miles an hour, I'm in second gear. I can just walk across. It's right there at 5.2 miles per hour. Just kind of looking around, enjoying the scenery. Nobody is going to call and say you're not going fast enough. I can tell you that right now. So, and if they do, you know what I'm going to tell them? I'm going to look them square in their round face and say, look, if you don't think my driving's adequate, I will hand you the keys and let you try. Because I don't give up. We're under the blacktop silo. It's exactly how you think it is. You pull under it, gates open, blacktop shoots down. There's a scale in front of me. I believe this one's 3 drops, 1 bell. 1 bell, you're done, you pull out. You get a tarp rack, get your paperwork, you tarp your load, make sure you're good, and hit the road. Bananas. Let the bass drop. What is wrong with me? I swear you have to have TISM and ADHD to drive a dump truck. At least, like me. Most other drivers just are fucking miserable. Hate their job, hate their career choice. I don't love it either, but it's not that terrible. Oh, let's see, make sure we're good. My fat ass up these steps. That's almost perfect. Almost perfecto. Could have went a little more towards the back. That's pretty good. 1, 2, 3, good enough for me. Got Mr. West over there spraying down. And you got me falling down. Load number 2, it is 12:15. Headed back to the job site, about 15, 20 minutes away. Really can't foresee coming back for a 3rd load. If I do, cool. But I just can't see it as long as it's been taking us to get these loads dumped off. So, see you at the job site. Say what's up, YouTube.
What's up, YouTube 67 Ohio Skibbity?
I didn't say all that extra stuff. So real quick, before I close this video out, just picked up Archer from daycare. Say what's up.
What's up?
So anyway, I want to tell you guys that I messed up, as you see in the video. I screwed up big time. I haven't had a mess up like that in a while. I mean, screw ups happen all the time. What it says I messed up. I haven't had a mess up like that in a while. Huge shout out to the boss man for not yelling at me. Are you picking your nose? What do you mean? I don't mess up all the time.
Yes, you do.
Nuh-uh.
Yes, you do.
I mean, everybody makes mistakes. Don't you?
No.
Oh, okay. You're one of them. You just think your shit don't stink, right?
No, I do not.
So, say, all right, guys. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.